All right, let's get straight to it. If you're looking to lose arm fat and you don't have any fancy equipment, you're in the right place. I've got a 5-minute arm burnout that you can do anywhere, anytime. All you need is a tiny bit of space and some motivation. Now, before you ask, can you really lose arm fat in 5 minutes? Well, here's the deal. Spot reducing fat isn't exactly possible, but what you can do is burn calories, build muscle, and turn your arms into toned, lean machines. Consistency is key. Do this every day and you'll definitely see a difference. Ready? Let's go. First up, arm circles. Hold your arms out to the sides, palms down. Start making small, tight circles forward. Feel that burn? That's your muscles waking up. Keep going for 30 seconds. Now switch. Reverse those circles. Another 30 seconds. Don't drop those arms. Next, we're doing tricep pulses. Stand up straight, arms behind you, palms facing back. Pulse your arms upward in tiny movements. You should feel it right in the back of your arms. Push yourself for 40 seconds. Now bring those arms up for shoulder taps. Get into a high plank position. Don't worry, this one's quick. Alternate tapping your left shoulder with your right hand, then your right shoulder with your left. Keep those hips steady. 40 seconds here. Fourth move, push-up holds. Drop to your knees if you need to. Lower halfway down and hold. Count to 10. Shake it out and do it again, twice. Trust me, this one's a killer for arm strength. Last move, boxer punches. Stand up, fists up, and start punching the air across your body as fast as you can. Give it all you've got for 1 full minute. This gets your heart rate up and blasts those arms. And time. You did it. 5 minutes, no equipment, and you just torched your arms. Remember, doing this once is great, but making it a habit is where the magic happens. Pair this with a healthy diet and some full-body movement, and your arms will thank you. If you liked this quick workout, hit that subscribe button for more. Let me know how you feel in the comments and what you want to see next. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.